Hello guys, this is Susan from Yeezyhotcom. Okay guys, can you show me my website? You will eyes and check out the shoes I will introduce today. Okay, today I will introduce this new shoes. Yeezy Boost 350 choose 4. Okay, we can guys can look at this pair of shoes first. Okay, you can check this side. Very good and nice. And the upper. This and another side, very good. This side, the middle sole, the color is very beautiful. Okay, and the shoes back have orange tab. You guys can check. Very cool. And the bottom have a little glue color button. Very reflection this color. Okay, I will introduce more details. Okay, first we can check these two balls. Yeezy Boost balls 350. Okay, and then this side Boost. Okay, Yeezy Boost 350. Made by Adidas. Okay, and they have a size label at the front of these two balls. Okay, we can check. Official side US 9.5 to 4. Okay, open it. You can check inside. Okay, every Yeezy come with the shoes paper. Okay, and we can check the shoes again. Okay, we can check this side. They have a transparent. You can check, and then you can see my fingers. This side, very cool. Okay, and this part with the orange color. Okay, very facial, and upper very soft, and the middle stitching very regular. You can check out the middle stitching, very good. And another side we can check the price is different for another side. Very special. Okay, very cool. Okay, and then we can check the sources. It is the best quality, very good, and very clean. You can check. Okay, and the shoes bag have orange tab, and the middle have a stitching. Very cool. Okay, and the middle sole with the orange color. Shoes back, middle sole. Okay, and then we can check the shoes inside. Have a white stitching, really nice, and inside very clean. Okay, and this part materials is the best quality. Okay, and the shoes back have a 3M. Okay, and inside have a size label. There have a official side US 9.5, and then made in China. Okay, so cool. And this pair have a hand tag, have Adidas and size label. Good. Hand tag. Okay, and the bottom have a real boost. It is very comfortable to wear. Check. Okay, so good. And have a boost, and the toe have a Adidas and Adidas logo. Okay, and then we can check the shoes paper. Okay. Really soft. Suspension. Okay, if you want to buy this pair of shoes, you can click on my website, review my website again, Yeezyhotcom. Okay. Hope guys alright. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.